Hi, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about two important concepts, How to Decide by Annie Duke and Perfectly Confident by Don Moore. When it comes to making decisions, there are a lot of different strategies out there. Some people like to weigh the pros and cons, while others prefer to go with their gut instincts. And then there are those who are perfectly confident in their decisions, no matter what, but what is the best approach? The truth is, there is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to decision making. Different situations call for different strategies. For example, if you're faced with a complex problem that requires a lot of analysis and research, a more analytical approach might be best. On the other hand, if you're faced with a quick decision that doesn't have a lot of long-term consequences, going with your gut might be the best way to go. That being said, one thing that is common among all effective decision makers is that they are confident in their choices. They don't second guess themselves or let doubt creep in. They know that they have done their research, weighed the options, and made the best choice they could. Now, some people are naturally more confident than others, and that's perfectly fine. However, it's important to remember that confidence is not the same as being sure. Being sure that a decision is the right one is not always possible, but being confident in the decision you made is. And the best way to achieve confidence is through preparation and research. Take the time to research your options, consider all the pros and cons, and consider different perspectives. The more you know about a subject, the more confidence you will have when it comes to making a decision. And even if you don't make the perfect decision, you can still be confident that you made the best choice you could with the information you had. And on the other hand, being perfectly confident also has its drawbacks, and it can lead to overconfidence and lead to tunnel vision. Ignoring the potential risk and downside of a decision and not being open to new information and perspectives can lead to poor decisions, so balance is key. In conclusion, there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to decision making. Every situation is different and requires a unique approach. But the key to being a successful decision maker is being confident in your choices. And you can achieve confidence by researching your options, considering all the pros and cons, and taking different perspectives into account. Remember to balance it with being open to new information and not becoming overconfident in your decision making. So how can you use these key points in these two books to improve your own life? Well, here are 3 questions that may be worth reflecting on. 1. In what ways do you currently gather information and consider different perspectives before making a decision? 2. How do you currently assess the level of confidence you have in a decision? 3. In what ways does overconfidence potentially hinder your decision-making process? How can you work on avoiding it? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.